Hi, this is Vincent Wang. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to review two guitars by Journey Instruments. They are both foldable or flexible guitars, and they're made for traveling. The one on my left is FF412C, and the one on my right is FF422C. They're pretty similar in all the specs except for the materials used for the back and sides. The FF12C has a mahogany back and sides, whereas the FF422C has a material called Pau Ferro, which is a substitute for Indian rosewood. Without further ado, let's hear how they sound. So, what do you think? Comment below to share your thoughts. Keep playing, and thanks for watching.